na ba yi da sai na ta yi ba ka
There's nowhere that we can the success story of Kwa without mentioning His Royal Majesty of 2482. He has been a wonderful personality behind all that we've been doing here. Now, senior Ocho Ako Keke. Now, again, no topics I was saying, I never share on one casa new company. And you say, or your patron, or a director can say, Obahasa or Baba share in Jumano. And what Masano, as some time you can say, with Jumano, with Jumano, with Jumane, with the people say, with Jumano, a queen. The name of my name say a new team or here of the buy. The brief background as a very fortunate as to me and car now and say if you set up one global peace mission and Kwa RMC if you buy the global peace mission for the past 36 years have been able to put together what we call a blueprint for sustainable global peace. I launched on the 18th of November. It's so unique that if we saw a book, the actual Ibia, it's for Wadawuma, in Bebro, now Washington and Sana, on the 18th of November, the promoter match in their seminar. No, when you are get well this year, or yet, they are more my God and USA. I'm proud of you, and I want to make you more proud. And now what about him? Kwa RMCO. We think must buy now. We Benya International Award. The Scientist of the Year 2022 in the area of herbal medicine and health sciences. China, India, the whole world. Competition was an international competition. Highly competitive, and I emerged as the Scientist of the Year 2022. That's the most far immersion. You understand me? Say this, I'm going to Shantino. Kwa, we started with Kwa FS. And you Kwa Mixture. After Kwa Mixture, I said, man, sorry. Yeah, that's it. So very much now. Or 2-4, or that woman. I'm from French. And I was saying, from Kwa Mixture, you have a Kwa Plus Mixture. Kwa Plus Mixture is an enhanced formula of the Kwa Mixture. Kwa Mixture supports the immune system. The immune system here, and when I bought Nipedia Omobai, in the time you say, was a year being Kwa, you are seeing now, and a year we are a Kwa FS, the Bay Kwa Mixture. Now, if in your near, a draw what Habamu, the evening nation send a bear, residue. I wouldn't be drove here, be of what one said the chino, never be a body near here, no more than a fufu. Into ye BBF into one say a crotching. Now, and the boy, your immune system, now immune system, a fighting variety of diseases. If your immune system was strong, which we are really brave. And during that time, once the COVID time, before we fight, and the immune system fighting COVID. Since the answer, that's a baby woman, a super. And if you want to hear the enhanced formula, when they are two immune system support. Our immune system was strong. Cancer near the other one, when the immune system is compromised. Now, when the immune system is compromised, you are ready to be body and brave. Now, this is the solution. Making sure that your immune system, when it is on top, we have fight a variety of diseases. We need this. We are so here, so a draw, as you say, or the abua, no offer the more food, no for the so very calm. If we are only a empty mixture, a free neem tree. Neem tree, no, I can't never treat malaria. Now, the penny for no, already put vapor never no, only a day that I will come on and treat malaria. Me amusa when you are going to be 90, I felt quite be so ye in Myanmar, near my walk. New tree, I dare shame more. Far apart from malaria, now we met a bomb so a good immune system now. I might have said, I am a sense of going. And I had the ways to immune soon when the iron capsules. FDA, I register that they are failure best starting production. International 94 products in the CCO market. And they are injection. They were injectable and Otumfo, they did in Hawaii. When to me, I apply the immune system fighting viruses. And a broad consumer a bit to be treating cancer, where under research, where research and manufacturing company limited. As a do one get a little documentary about it, that to bring you one thing. The research now, meaning said, when Kuma met me after chicken over $30 billion every year. How will you BDC? Otumfo now say, and you should be here. I was saying, yeah, you're going to bread. We were baby, be a bit me a boy on my gun and the city now. So, so we say, you're going to share a factory. Now, Otumfo Mami, as I saw, a friend say, as a tree. My son's was to aid the home commobile because there were a person I go to a modern factory. The cost on this is about $50 million. Now, a person will as a I prepare and say to the raw materials. And the way I started the research and I started doing producing. And they are going to expand and get an ultramodern factory to produce all the products you want. Because also I'm going by energy drink. Energy water. We have Core energy water on the way. We have Core balm and the Core ointment. As is also already in the pipeline and NGBN and also ABET. And you will never be prayer. The bet me a year. The Abua of my Ghana. Nothing now. What you call the decision also. as a director. Yes, and that's originally the administrator, Dr. Isajima, honorary administrator, public relations officer, Benadem Kisei, Enoch is in charge of protocol. Accountant, Mr. Achas Lebe. Now, the program officer, Abukujo, and I'm our health coordinator, so Mary Akpa, who said, 24 people have because of the work and I'm